Yeah, so let's get into it. Today we're making coconut milk. As I said, if you want a substitute for dairy milk, this is very good milk, very healthy, cholesterol free. All you need is just one coconut. It's according to the amount of milk you want to make, but I'm using one coconut. And I cut it into pieces and rinse them very well, and then I'm going to put this to blend. I just put this coconut cut into tiny pieces to a blender and some milk and some water, and our milk will be ready in 2 minutes. You have your coconut milk. The milk, if you want a substitute for dairy milk, this is the go-to milk, and you just need coconut and water, and your coconut milk is ready in like 2 minutes. So you have our coconut. I'm going to put it into a blender, as you can see. And then we're going to add some water to it. Yeah, and then we're going to put this to blend, and our coconut milk will be ready. Just that, very simple. So we're blending our coconut milk. Yeah, that is the smoothie that is blended, and then we're going to save it, and we're going to get our coconut milk, and it will be ready. Just in 2 minutes you have your coconut milk. So yeah, as you can see, this is our sieve, and we're going to just sieve this. And our coconut milk is already ready. Yeah, it's ready. And then these flakes, you're going to use them. Check in my next video what I'm going to use them for, but they're very useful. You can put them in rice, you can use them for many other recipes. They make the food so yummy and so tasty. Yeah, that's our coconut milk. So that is already saved coconut milk. Yeah, not a substitute for coconut for dairy milk. Coconut milk is the way to go. Very healthy for your health. No cholesterol, just perfectly very nice and tasty milk. Yeah. So this is our sugar-free coconut milk. Very yummy, very tasty. Yeah, it takes you to heaven. Had in a very long day, just take this coconut milk and you feel so refreshed. It's very nice, really.